different state capitals for family reform regarding the family law corruption that has taken place where our children are being abused. I am a teacher and a school principal in charge of an entire school of children. I'm also a mandated reporter. How is it possible that my son was taken from me 6 years ago because I was accused of parental alienation, when in fact I was trying to protect my son from the abuse he endured? The court refused to give me any custody, despite being a mandated reporter, a teacher, and a school principal. I was raped numerous times by my ex-husband over 6 months, just so I can spend time with my son. As a mom, I would do anything for my son. Being financially persecuted and in contempt when we went back to court to express to the judges of me being raped and Jacob's abuse. I was the one that was punished. I was the one that had sanctions filed against her, and I was the one that was deprived custody of my son. The judge filed sanctions to punish me for filing an appeal to the decisions that were made in Superior Court. We need to do more for our children to protect them. We need to stand together. Judicial immunity is not an option. I do not have immunity as a teacher, as a school principal. We need to hold these judges accountable for their actions. So many children are getting abused, some even murdered, as we've seen in the news headlines. Why aren't these judges held accountable for the corrupt decisions that they are making, for the abuse our children are experiencing? We need to hold these individuals accountable, therapists, attorneys, judges. If our highest levels of government are not listening, who can we turn to? I filed an FBI report. I emailed the U.S. Attorney General. I spoke at the OC Board of Supervisors. There's so many things I have done to get the word out regarding the corruption and abuse, as so many parents have done as well. Who will be listening to us? Who will take action to hold these judges and court-appointed individuals responsible for the corruption and fraud and abuse our children are enduring? Come join us over the next 3 days at your local courthouse, family law courthouse. Come join us to support reform and justice and to end judicial immunity and the abuse our children are enduring. Come join us. Thank you.